Have you ever thought, I'm going to start an online business, and then you've looked at the cost of all the subscriptions that you need and all the tools and thought, how much? Well, my friends, there could be an option that is free going into the future. Interested? You better watch. Let's jump straight into it because this is a really important one. 3 questions for you today. Do I want my business to grow? Do I want the best tools? And can I afford it? If you're one of those people and it's too long, didn't watch, do you remember the TLDR, didn't read? Then just go to one of these. It's a bit.ly link, bit.ly/Nigel Groove or bit.ly/Nigel Groove Lifetime. They're going to be up on the slides all the time, so down here. But just go to that, then you don't have to watch the video. It's easy. But for those of you that want to watch the video, then here we go. 3 questions. Why are these 3 questions important? Because if you're not saying yes to all of them, then you are in the wrong place, my friend. So let's have a look. Do I want to grow my business? All right. Yes, the answer should be yes. Do I want the best tools? The answer should always be yes, because that's going to help. And we're talking about online business. But in any business, do you remember... a poor workman blames his tools? Well, what you want are the best tools, and you can't blame the tools at all, and it's all down to you. But one of the biggest questions, and I've been coaching social media, online businesses for about 3 years or so, and one of the biggest things that holds people back is, can I afford it? And these monthly subscriptions to all the software that you need, all the tools, all of those things adds up every month to sometimes an eye-watering 4-figure sum, which over the course of a year, if you've got to start making 5 figures just to cover your costs, then that is a big barrier. And I don't want those big barriers. I want you to get past it. I want you to get beyond it. And so what I want to do is talk today about the answer. And the answer is something called Groovefunnels. Groovefunnels? What the hell's Groovefunnels? Okay, well, if you've had enough watching this already, what I'd suggest is just click on those, go to those links below, bit.ly/Nigel Groove, and it'll tell you all about it, but I'm going to go through it and show you some of it. Let me just move myself over here, because what's in it for me? Groovefunnels, what's in it for you? Well, we're going to answer those questions, especially the last one, can I afford it? We're going to try and make this so that it is an absolute no-brainer. You can afford it, and there's nothing to stop you or hold you back. There's no tool that you can blame for a lack of success. But key thing, free for life. Free for life? What the? Yeah, exactly. There's a free for life. All right, it's a light version. It's not everything in it. But let's just jump across here to, let's just see if, oh, here we go. Okay, can you see that? Hopefully you can see that. And what I'm going to do is, this is, if you go to bit.ly/Nigel Groove, this is where you come to. What is it? It's a better way to build funnels and sell digital products. If you've listened to sales funnels, heard about sales funnels, products like ClickFunnels, and various other things, then this is something very similar. But there are some fundamental differences. This is relatively new. One of the key people behind it is a person behind Kartra, which you may have heard, which is a rival for ClickFunnels and Kajabi and those sort of tools. But here you go. What they are saying is, can you see that? Get started right now for free. Get started for free. Everything you need to sell products and services online. Sell products and services online. Free. All you need to do is go to that link and click and fill in your details. Look at this. No credit card required for your free account. All right. But they're only going to do this for a limited time. And what I want to come on to further on, so there's loads of people here. What I want to come on to later on is the lifetime offer and the fact that that is running out. So let's just come back here. Where are we? Free for life. Okay, that's one reason why you need to do it. Let's just jump in here. And now we're on this, but I want to talk about the lifetime offer. Okay, let's just jump back in and go to the, Here you go, lifetime offer. Now, this is live at the moment when I'm recording it. So we're coming up to the end of August, and this is the countdown where you can get in and get this instant upgrade to the Platinum Lifetime Access. Okay, there's a video. You can watch the video, and this tells you all about what is in there. Okay, this is the upgrade options. Now, from the 1st of September, they are decreasing the package limits and they're increasing the price. So you can see now, $13.97. Now that I've worked out when I was subscribing to everything, that was about 6 weeks worth of my subscriptions, and this is a lifetime. So there's something that suddenly makes something that was not very affordable, very affordable. Okay, what's in there? There is masses. Essentially, what have you got? Ability to sell products, ability to make affiliate schemes. You've got abilities to make landing pages, web pages. You've got an email autoresponder. You've got a membership site. You've got a video hosting. You've got, you know, all the leads. You've got all the details about it. You've got a blog system, a help desk system, a calendar booking system, a survey and quiz system. These are all coming up, but the Platinum option also includes own Groovefunnels for life. So it's an all-in-one. I didn't want to do that. There we go. Offering a Kickstarter type. This is why you can get in fixed price, own it for life, no ongoing payments. Look at this, never lose account access to data. It's all there. You're going to get all the products in here. So these are the key things: selling things, affiliates, pages, so web pages, opt-in pages, email autoresponder, membership sites, video hosting. If you've done any of those, you know that they are expensive. I have paid hundreds and hundreds of dollars on that. But look at this. There's extra things coming soon. And this is still in beta for a lot of these products, but they are coming soon. This is why the price is so good. You have got webinars. If you've wanted to use webinar software and you have kind of wept silently in a corner about how much it is, this is going to be included in here. It's going to be amazing. And also you've got a Shopify equivalent called GrooveCart in there. Plus you get the ability to forward on your affiliate link like I'm doing here. So in this where I've got the bit.ly.links, then that is my affiliate link. So, you know, this is the purpose of it, isn't it? And if you're creating a course, if you've got products and you want other people to sell it for them, within this, you can create your own affiliate scheme for other people to help market your product. So this is perfect. But I don't wish to panic you folks, but click here to upgrade to lifetime. This is where it is disappearing. You can sign up today for nothing. 3 easy payments of $497, or 6 easy ones of $288, or 12 easy ones of $188. Obviously, the longer the period, you pay slightly more. But folks, you are going to get in for a lifetime. And many years down the line, or even a few months down the line, you're going to be so pleased when your credit card does not keep having those sums of money deducted for your email autoresponder, your webinar, your membership site, your subscription here, subscription there. That's going to finish. That is going to end. You are going to be here, a lifetime offer. It's right below me here. Can you see Nigel Groove Lifetime on the bit.ly link? Get in there, secure it, because I tell you what, when you don't see all those things coming out on your credit card or out of your business bank account or however you are paying for it, it is a sweet and happy day. One of the biggest things that people say is, oh my goodness, I was busy this month. I couldn't do it. I couldn't get there. And I've still had to pay about $500 this month just to keep my subscriptions going. Ouch. We've all been there. That's not what you want. So I say, get yourself, have a look at this. These are the phases when things have been rolled out. So phase 2, the current is September. We've got Groove Mail, membership, videos coming out. These are all there. Later this year, we've got the webinars, the blog, the help desk. Everything's coming. This is why the price is so good. And as these elements get released, they're either going to cancel this lifetime, increase the price, reduce the options you get with it. So now is the time to take action. And let's just have a look. What else have I got up here on my slides? So, the lifetime offer. I'm hoping you're thinking to yourself, you know, look at this. You know, that is a wow. This is bang on target, you know, and this is going to launch my business. So just a few emojis. Every so often I get emoji crazy, and there you go. But that's what I'm thinking. I think it's a wow. I've done it. And in here, this is a look. These are some of the things that people have been saying. Okay, you've looked at all the features, so I've shown you the features. And you're thinking, but I don't need all that. And that is entirely possible for now. But do you plan on staying forever? Do you want to grow? First question, do you want your business to grow? You said yes. So, okay, if you want to grow it and you want to grow it quickly, the other questions, you know, can you afford it? And if it's in here and there's no price increase, the answer is yes. So you need a solution that'll scale. And this is what they're saying, Groovefunnels. It's easy to use, affordable, fast loading, SEO and mobile friendly, mobile first indexing compliant, and looks amazing. Oops. And as you grow, you can continue stacking the tech. Let me just move to the side here so you can see. And there's no monthly payments. You get it all. Imagine having it without the headache of learning new complicated tools when they're all in there, all integrated. You don't need third-party links and things trying to connect things up. It's in here. And look, they've put in the cost of a developer to duct tape everything together so it kind of sort of works in sync is an astronomical cost of $17,500 a year. But this is why they're saying, look, hang on, for $1,397, you can pay that once and then never pay that again, folks. This is you know, the time to take action on this one. So let's go back to those three questions. Do I want to build my business? Do I want the best tools? Can I afford it? The answer should be yes, 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 and yes. And that's why you need to go to this link down here. Get that link. Get yourself in there. And I will see you in there. And as a special bonus from me, if you get in and use that link, send me a message. And you can get me, Nigel at nigeltbest.com. Send me a message and tell me, okay, this is me. I'm in it because I'm doing Groovefunnels training, and I will let you into that training for free. How about that? So not only do you get it, but you get the support from me, yours truly, where I'll help you make sure that you get the best out of it, and that we all succeed and grow in this. But that's it for today. That's it for the Best Business Show with me, Nigel T. Best, today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, the time is running out. We're into sort of the final few days, final few hours. Make sure you take action. Do that. Click on the link. Check out my other videos as well, and I will see you soon. Whew. Bye for now.